Apena-Remont Ltd LLC was founded on 18th of October 1998 with the repair department of Factory of Electrical Devices Apena SA. Currently, General Electric Power Controls as its foundation. The company started its economic activity on 1st of January 1999. Two of the main activities of the Apena-Remont company are running repairs and overhauls of machines and industrial devices, especially in the automotive industry. 90% of replacement parts used by Apena-Remont are original, but in some cases, with older technical solutions, it develops and creates new parts in-house. Fulfilling current safety requirements also forces development and creation of new control systems. These services are provided by the aforementioned Design Technological Office, together with the Electrical Department and Machining Department. The workstations have been furnished with modern computer equipment with software allowing 2D and 3D design of details and sub-assemblies and designing of new diagrams of installations and control systems. The machining department, existing since the company's inception, has been modernized and furnished with all kinds of conventional and numerical machines which allow planning of complex technological operations of turning, milling, grinding, and of heat treatment and electromachining. An example of using modern technologies is the use of CNC machines, which facilitate precise and repeatable creation of details in a short time. Parts of sub-assemblies, thus designed and created, end up in the mechanical department, where a team of designers relying on documentation and new diagrams of installations precisely restores productivity of machines. New electrical, pneumatic and hydraulic installations improve their parameters and ensure safe operation. All electrical installations of Apena-Remont fulfill the requirements of the European directives and of the performance level D and E. When the repair of a machine is finished, it is tested and checked with the participation of the client's personnel. Since its foundation, the Apena-Remont company has been providing warranty and post-warranty services concerning maintenance of machines, installations and industrial facilities. Within these services, defects occurring in machines, devices and technological installations are repaired and removed. The company performs inspections and maintenance of machines and specialized technological lines. The aim of all these activities is to sustain existing production capacity of companies, detect possible defects early, and, in case of malfunctions, remove problems and resume production as quickly as possible. The experience the company has gained from performing repairs and its cooperation with companies from the automotive and machine building industries have resulted in creation of many new technological solutions and construction of new workstations. In the difficult healthcare industry, Apena-Remont has achieved a major success in innovation by designing and manufacturing the UMR rehabilitation massage device. In support of ecology, Apena-Remont performs many activities lowering its impact on the natural environment. Pro-ecological activities of the Apena-Remont company are a way of supporting its personnel and inhabitants of Bielsko-Biała. In 2012, the company adapted and renovated an old factory building and created therein a kart track, the longest in Poland, multi-level roofed, called zigzag karting. It has become a regional attraction and a place where young racing talents develop under the tutelage of well-known Polish rally drivers. Apena-Remont directs its offer of services mainly to companies with many machines and production lines. We are an innovative company whose philosophy is to provide clients with modern solutions in the area of repairs and modernization of machines. We want to be a well-known, globally important company which always fulfills the high requirements of its clients. Through the marriages of tradition and modernity and its dynamism and responsibility, we strive to create a company which can truly be trusted.